Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Venus V Parks, your trans vlogger. Yan. And we're back. And I've got to tell you something, guys. Maganda siya na news. Actually, it's about my life, my journey. By March, magpapahinga na tayo from laundry business, and I will put up an assistant na bago, trusted, na pwedeng tumao dito. Kasi by March, may ganap ako. And surprise na lang yon, guys. Yung March. Surprise na lang yon. And hopefully okay tayo. Ayan. So ayan, yung tattoo ko nga pala, ayan, inspired by Pocahontas. Ayan. And akala nyo tumaba tayo? Hindi. Ayan pa rin yung ating kabutuhan. Ayan. This is the collarbone. Ayan. Akala nyo tumaba pa rin tayo? No. Nagkakamali kayo. Continue pa rin yung diet natin. Continuous diet. Kasi I'm already taking losartan every morning. And it is my maintenance. Kasi we're already 41 years old. Yan. Or we cannot say old, pero 41 years young. Ayan. So this one, ayan, losartan. Hello sa mga naglo-losartan dyan. Yes, for those who are taking losartan, hello. Ayan. So, ayan guys, we have a new update on our life. I created a new FB, remember? Kasi na-hack yung old FB. So, I need to create a new one. And we cannot retrieve it kasi due to the hacker itself, he committed a violation. Actually, he is a national of Madagascar, sad to say. And it's very rampant and known na some scammers coming from there, they hack FBs who are about to have salary on reels, mga ganyan, they hack. Sometimes there are also hackers and scammers, not just only in Madagascar but locally, also here in the Philippines, and in every parts of the world there are scammers. It's not just in one place, guys, okay? So it so happened my hacker that I saw on my old FB is from Madagascar. So I tried to complain sa Facebook to tell you know, I'm not using much of Facebook kasi I'm more on YouTube. And it's so sad kasi I cannot even enter my password anymore. And then YouTube, on other hand, YouTube is the platform I usually use always. And then after some review, yan, Facebook gave me an email through Meta. Yan, Facebook coincides with Meta. So silang dalawa, Facebook and Meta. So Meta gave me a report, and it said that is this you? And then they took a pic pala of the hacker, and then I said no, it's not me. So for privacy purposes and for confidentiality, I will not show the face of the hacker na lang. See, I still have remorse. I'm still kind. So, you know, even if he does something bad, you need to still show kindness. Kasi it won't resolve any problem or solution if you will also show violence and negativity. So, to solve a problem, one should be a light-headed one compared to the hot-tempered one. Yan. So, it so happened nga na ganon. So, all I have to do is to create a new Facebook account. So, there. Maganda na yung nangyayari sa atin. It's very beautiful na yung mga journey natin. Love life, yes. It's very nice na rin. And, yeah, by March, I won't be here. Alis ako. And, saka ko na lang sasabihin sa inyo kung anong lugar ako pupunta. Okay? And, may kasama tayo. That is a surprise. Napaka-aabangan ninyo na I am with someone by March. And I will show you who is that person. Okay? Ayun. So, I'm happy kasi we're just laid back. Yun nga lang. Nagka-problem dito sa shop. I ran out of gas for my dryer. Ayan. Tapos, merong client na, complaining. Bakit daw natagalan yung kanyang blanket and everything. Like, hello, you need to fall in line para you would get to see this line up dito. And she's still complaining, so I just try to set it aside, yung ganon. So, yun. And then, I'll tell it to you again. Okay? CR lang ako. Ayun. So, kakabalik lang natin galing sa CR, guys. And then, tapos, nag-follow up na ako dun sa magde-deliver ng gas para sa ating dryer. Yan, para matuyo na yung mga damit. Kasi yan talaga kalaban natin, guys, yung ulan. Tsaka yung makulimlim na panahon na walang kaaraw-araw. Mahirap magpatuyo ng damit. At lalo na yung mga bed covers, mahirap magpatuyo. Kaya, yan, ito-dryer natin para matapos ako. Para tapos na yung ating labahin. Ayun. Kaya, ayun. So, napakahirap na trabahoin. And then, medyo inaantok tayo. Ang tanghalian ko is tinapay, kape, tapos yung niluto ko na sliced potato with sliced, alam niyo yung maliit na pechay, we called it bok choy. Ayan, sliced. And then fry, stir fry. Ayan. So, yun yung ating lunch. Tapos, siguro mamayang evening, hindi ko maisip kung ano na naman ang aking kakainin. Pero baka more on, lang ako siguro, water. Ayan, ulit. Same pa rin naman ang dieting. So, ganun. And love life, ayan. We are okay in the talking stage ni Afam or ni foreigner na I met on a dating app, and then we are good, we are okay. It's where I met my ex, old Navy. Yes, he's old and then retired Navy soldier, si ex. But now, etong new foreigner lover natin is from US, and he's not of Navy, Marine, no. He's just lives in US. He lives in US. Ayan, so ganun. And then, okay naman kami. And also, there would be a surprise about my life. It's really a big surprise. For me, it's big. And sa mga sumusubaybay na viewers who's been with me for such a long time, or a new subscriber. I bet you viewed all my videos, and I bet you already understood and known me for all those videos. It's about my life. And now, yes, there would be a big event happening in my life, and I'm just waiting for that surprise to come. O, diba? So, ayun. So, I'm very happy na, you know, in my life, we are doing good, doing okay. And here, guys, look, oh, I've been putting a whitening product. So, it lightens up my underarm. You see? It lightens it up. O, diba? I have no hair on my armpits. Ayan. So, yun, guys. So much of that, kung bago ka lang sa ating YouTube and you're new to my YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe. And also, thank you for the shout out. Sister Inday Fretzy Zunino, together with Uncle William Zunino, Fretzy's husband. And I'm thankful kasi nga they have been, or they are nice to me. Ayun, sorry. They are nice to me, and happy birthday to you. And I'm so happy because you are also a trans sister, a transgender like me, and you have a foreigner husband also, just like me, because my second lover is a foreigner from US. And yes, and we're also vloggers. Inday Fretzy, you are a vlogger. Me also, I'm a vlogger. I'm a transgender, and you are a transgender also. And I'm happy, you know, you have a kind heart. You shouted me out on your video, and then I'm so thankful na notice mo ako in a very, very sea of people. And I'm thankful also to those people I've met who are co-vloggers, who is international. Ayan. And he's also a foreigner. Ayan. I'm also happy that I came across with your channel, and thankful na I met you, even just for a short while, that I've known you, and just for a short while that you are this, you are that. And you know, I'm thankful I've known you, that you are that kind of person, you know, that you don't like transgenders, but it's okay. So I understand I understand where you're coming from. Ayan. So thankful ako sa mga nakasalamuha ko, mga straight man yan na tao na ayaw ng transgender. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Mapa foreigner man kayo or Pinoy, thankful ako. I'm so thankful that you added spice in my life. Ayan. So much of that talk. It's afternoon, and time check, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's December 17 today. So ayun, guys. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and notification bell to be notified for my new and upcoming vlogs and videos. Ayun. So kung bago ka pa lang, if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. And maraming salamat dahil nandiyan kayo. And also for the surroundings, check. Yan. Pak. Ayan. We put our clothes there on the side kasi nga, it's kind of cloudy. Yan, medyo the skies are dark and I think it will rain. And at the back, there's a sunlight at the back. But here in front of me is a dark clouds there. So, in terms of, you know, doing laundry, maglalaba-laba, ganyan, I stopped doing laundry muna kasi look ko, it might rain. Yan, so yun. And thank you guys for following me. Thank you. Please don't forget to add my Facebook, okay? It's Venus V Parks. P-A-R-K-S Parks. Ayan. So thank you. And have a nice day, guys. Don't forget to drink your vitamins and drink lots of water to rehydrate. Love you all and be safe.